an installation guide for Spancast concrete park benches. For proper installation, 2 people are required. First, estimate the distance of the seat, and place legs accordingly. Secondly, place seat component, and line up voids with threaded insert. Then, catch bolts and washers through the seat, but do not tighten. Now, use a 3/8 size socket to tighten all the seat bolts. Remember, do not tighten all the way. Align the back, and catch bolts and washers to the legs. Again, do not tighten all the way. After all bolts are screwed down, finally tighten them all. Hand crank them only, there should be no need for excessive tightening. Call us at 646-4646.